Hello everyone. Welcome to our masterclass on Mastering MS Excel. I am Tejas Thakur, Head of Sales Trainings at Kotak Mutual Funds. You're already aware that in this masterclass, we're going to look at 22 different topics from Excel. In the last week, you must have gone through videos on basics of time value of money and rate of returns. In this week, we'll take you through level 1 and level 2 calculation videos. So welcome to this fourth video of this 22 video series. And this video is going to be on level 2 calculations. Now, when we do level 2 calculations, as the name suggests, we will do a first level of calculation, get the answer. That answer will be our input for the second level calculations. So let's discuss our first case study for the day, which is on child education. Mr. Desai assumes that the cost of MBA today is going to be 10 lakh rupees and it is growing at the rate of 10%. How much SIP must he do at an expected rate of 12% to fund the cost of education 10 years hence, inflation beating? So what has been given to us for the first level of calculation? Let's understand that. Present value is given, which is PV, 10 lakh rupees. Then number of years is 10 years. Rate is 10%. What we need to find out is the cost of MBA in the future, which means the future value. So let's go ahead and calculate that. Is equal to FV, bracket open. Rate is given to me as 10%. So let me just click on FX here. Rate is given to me as 10%. Number of years is 10. That is NPO. PMT is not there. PV will be minus 10 lakhs because that is going to be investment. Type is not given, so default 1. I'm clicking OK here. My answer is 25,93,742.46 paise. So now this I'm going to use as input for the level 2 calculation. So in the second part, what I have here is the future value, which is the amount I need to accumulate, is 25.93 lakhs. Number of years is 10. The rate is 12%. So what I need to find out is PMT because I need to find out the SIP value. So let's go ahead and calculate that. Delete is equal to PMT, bracket open, FX. Let me place this properly for you. Okay, the rate is given to me as 12%. Number of years is 10. The PV is not there, which I need to find out, obviously. Future value is given as 25 lakhs. Type is 1. Future value will always be plus. Now what I need to do is okay, there's one more thing which is missing. This is 12% and this is your 10. Okay. Now we need to make certain adjustments for the SIP. So let's do that. I'm going to multiply number of years by 12 and divide the rate by 12. What you could alternatively do here is use the nominal monthly rate and find that value separately and put it here. That will give you more accurate results. But for the time being, I'm sticking to multiply by 12 and divide by 12. I'm clicking OK here. So what am I getting? 11,163.61. So what is this value? Let's say I start an SIP of 11,161 at the rate of 12%. For the next 10 years, I'm going to accumulate 25.93 lakh rupees. This is the future value of 10 lakh rupees growing at the rate of 10% for 10 years. That is why this is known as a 2-level calculations. Let's take one more example. This is for child wedding. So we have Mr. Pandey here who assumes that the cost of marriage in his community is 12 lakh rupees today and is growing at the rate of 8% per year. How much SIP must he do at the rate of 12% for the next 10 years to fulfill this cost. So again, it will have two parts. So let's calculate that. Present value is given to me as 12 lakh rupees. Number of years is 10. Rate is 8%. I need to find out the future value of expenses for the marriage. That is FV. So let's find that out. Delete is equal to FV, bracket open, FX. Rate is given to me as 8%. Number of years is 10. PV is minus 12 lakh rupees. Why minus? Because this would be investment. Type is 1, default. So my answer is 25,90,710.00. Now, this is the cost of marriage in the future. So how much SIP should I do? Let's do that calculation here. So I'm taking this answer as FV here, future value. The number of years is 10. Rate of returns in SIP is 12% per annum. I need to find out PMT because SIP is required. Let's do that calculation. So is equal to PMT, bracket open, FX. Rate is given to me as 12%. Number of years is 10. Future value is this amount. It will be plus. Type is default, which is 1. Now let us do the adjustments for SIP, which is multiplying this by 12 and dividing this by 12. Again, as I said in the earlier example, if you want accurate results, you should take the nominal monthly rates as a separate calculation and insert it in the rate area. I'm clicking OK. So my answer is 11,150.56. What does this mean? If I start an SIP at the rate of 11,150.56, for 10 years at the rate of 12%, I will accumulate a value of 25.90 lakhs. This is nothing but the future value of 12 lakh rupees inflated at 8% for 10 years. I hope both these examples were clear to you. In the subsequent videos, we'll look at level 3 calculations also. So this brings us to the end of the video number 4. So you can get in touch with us for general queries on kmmc.trainingqueries@kotak.com. If you wish to have a copy of the Excel sheet which I just discussed with you, you can mark a mail to tejas.thakur@kotak.com, mentioning specifically the video for which you need the Excel video number. You can also save my number 9619510328 and be a part of our broadcast group. You're already on our YouTube channel, so please subscribe. If you have not done that till now, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that all further video notifications will get on an immediate basis. Let me remind you one more thing, that every Friday, Excel related videos will get released, and every Tuesday, business development videos will get released. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for the patronage which you have given to our videos. We are more than obliged for that. Thank you. Take care.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.